liver and pork patty. They're really small, like about this size. I've been eating it.
What do you think?
I think they're pretty good. All you need is a meat grinder, pork, and beef liver. And then Mommy and Daddy made this really yummy pork and beef liver patty.
So this is our Weston grinder. We originally bought it to make cat food when we had cats. And this thing will grind up bone and everything. We don't like to eat bone, so we're not going to put bone in it. But I call it the Beast. But it's been a while since I put this together. That goes in like that. Tightens down. And then we've got the meat screw, which slides in here, locks into the gear there, and then there's a little chopper that goes in over that, and then a little extruder which goes over that. It's got to fit on there. There we go, like that. And then a ring to hold it all in place. And then all sorts of warning signs about not sticking your fingers in it. And then the meat pan. We're gonna soak the liver in milk just to help reduce the bitter flavor. So everything on the internet says you should soak it for about 30 minutes to an hour, and that improves the flavor. But the hope here is we've got liver and pork roast.
It's beef liver.
Sorry, beef liver and pork roast, and we're gonna grind them together to make sausage patties.
Yeah, we cooked up beef liver one time a while ago, and the flavor we thought was actually somewhat appealing. The texture was kind of odd, and it felt like it just needed to be with something else to make it more palatable.
Although our middle son loves liver.
Oh my, yeah.
Not so much the older or the younger.
So maybe we should, hold on. Wait, the measuring, like I would get a glass measuring cup and pour the milk into that and then pour it in here, just so if there's any splashing, the splashing is not on
the milk.
Thank you.
And we have goat milk, so that's what we're gonna use.
Yeah, that's what we used last time too. And it,
See how accurate I was?
yeah. So I think just enough to cover it.
Ooh, I might have been just super accurate.
Well,
That's just how good I am.
that's just, yeah.
I put the liver and milk in the fridge. Probably don't need to, but just in case. Don't want any foodborne illnesses.
Seems like when you're dealing with meat, that's always a good thing to do. Keep it cold. Keep it cold or cook it. And this, we're gonna make the roast into pieces that are sized where it fits easily into the grinder, and potentially put it in the freezer for a little bit. Was that?
Yep.
Just to kind of firm it up. Helps it go through the grinder more easily.
Almost done cutting up the meat. So we're experimenting with the ratio of pork to beef liver. And how many pounds of pork did we end up with?
think maybe 7 pounds.
Okay. And then,
And the beef liver is about a pound.
yeah, so 7 to 1.
I think it's a good start since, you know, we're all kind of new to this liver game.
Yeah, the liver's really good for you, but none of us, except for our middle son, really enjoy liver just. And I'm pretty sure I would not enjoy the classic liver and onions. So this is a way to put liver into some things and hopefully have it taste yummy.
So now we are going to stick the meat in the freezer for a little bit and let it firm up. It just goes through the meat grinder a little easier. So we've got a shelf all free and we're hoping that it fits because our freezer's not very deep. Yay!
All right, first we're gonna get the pork out of the freezer. It's just sitting in there. Oh, it's heavy. A little bit.
It's a lot of pork.
That's gonna go there. Probably should have thought about this before.
Oh, here, I got I can help.
And we got the liver. So the liver we're just gonna transfer over here so we're not ending up with a bunch of liver in our, or sorry, a bunch of goat milk in our sausage. So just kind of let the milk come off a little bit there.
I don't know, goat milk and sausage might be good.
I just wouldn't want it to be too
Just
wet.
kind of, we don't want it to be wet, yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
Might not cook up quite as nicely if there's too much moisture in it.
It's amazing how the liver kind of changes color from being in the milk. It's a very disgusting thought, but the milk kind of looks like strawberry milk to me now.
Ew!
Mmm, appetizing. There we go. It smells better than the tripe that we just tried to cook for our dog. If anybody ever thinks that cooking tripe for their dog sounds like a good idea, I would recommend against it. Unless you...
Smells like a cow died in here.
Yeah. It smells like a
Bad.
dairy caught on fire. If you can imagine what that might smell like.
After it hadn't been cleaned out for
Yeah.
a few weeks.
A very dirty dairy caught on fire. So, we love our dog a lot, but she's never getting tripe again.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Okay. All right, time for the grinding. Stick that in. I'm not sure how loud this is. So
It's pretty loud.
Let's see. We want it on forward. That's not bad. So appetizing.
It looks a way more vibrant pink on camera than it does in real life.
The most fun is cleaning up after you grind it. That's a joke. It's not really the most fun.
The liver looks looks even grosser coming out of the meat grinder than it does going in. Ew, sticky.
Petra, I might need your help to trim this thing off. Or I guess I can take my gloves off. And then we're just trying to knead the meat. Get the liver distributed somewhat evenly. Our sweet puppy telling us that she wants dinner in the background. This is a lot of meat.
Enough to feed 3 families for 2 years.
So how many pounds is this, Petra?
About 8, I think. Including the. Well, if you're gonna grind, might as well make it worth your while.
And here's the least fun part. Ooh, there's even blood in the threads. Cleaning up the grinder after you make ground meat. All right, it feels like 6 hours later the grinder is cleaned. And we didn't film this, but we now have 4 roughly 2-pound packs of ground pork and liver, and we're gonna try and cook some up today. So we've got some of it somewhere in here. I don't know where it is.
In the meat drawer.
Down in the meat drawer.
I'm gonna pull it out. This beauty right there.
We're gonna cook that up tonight. Up there is the wonderful dog food that my lovely wife makes for our pup. And maybe we'll do a video on that too. Making up the patties now.
Pork is really sticky. So it's kind of
Sticky
It's kind of getting all over my fingers, more so than beef would. But, and I'm trying to make them small, partly for that reason. Partly so it kind of will have a feel of like maybe breakfast sausages. I don't know. But yeah, so we'll see how it tastes. I'm planning on just doing salt, pepper, granulated garlic, and granulated onion for the seasonings for it. Once it gets started cooking, I'll get that out after I wash my hands.
Trichinosis.
Yeah.
And E. coli. There we go. Sizzling up. Got our salt, pepper, granulated garlic, and granulated onion. Smells good. Our cute puppy has found a toy she should not have.
Oh, no. Come back. No, I got her. Hold on. No. That's not how you're supposed to do it.
Team effort. Let's see if they can do it.
Oh, good
Okay.
kid.
You should say give.
Yeah, give
When
me.
you do.
He's chasing you. Uh-oh. No.
So what do you guys think?
Mmm.
Double thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Of course, I have everything with red hot.
So red hot's good. Sweet
this time
chili
it's
sauce is good.
Grandma's sweet chili sauce.
Ooh, you gonna try ketchup? Okay, there's not a whole lot here, so I'll help you.